sometimes you discover that you want to say something in English, but it's difficult to say it because the language does not have much depth so that you can go deeper and really uzwakala ukuthi uthini. It's just like, sometimes like a white friend. If you have a white friend and you want to tell them about spiritual things zesintu, igobongo, ukuthi igobongo lenzani, igobongo, zonke lezi zinto lezi, they will just be looking at you like, man, what are you saying? What are you talking about? I'm going to eat this thing. You know what? It's the food for the ancestors, or for the ancestors or for the spirit. I'm going to eat this or drink it, whatever. But they will look at you like, hey, okay, you being weird. It's because of the language. That's why. But ungalanda umZulu umtshele nje uthi mfowethu, yazi ngisafuna ukuyodla igobongo, ngifuna ukuyophaka igobongo, ngifuna ukuyodla igobongo. Okay, akulungile mfowethu, inkosi be nawe, kuhambe kahle konke. You understand? It's the language. So ukubusa mina ngithi ke ukubusa ne is to rule, uphatha is to and to be in charge in whatever context you find yourself in, whatever it is really. Mina ngiyabusa because ngine access to this. I easily come here. I can easily come here and chill. I can easily come here, pray. I can easily come here, just hang out. Mangibhorekile ngithatha inkuni ngibasa umlilo laphayana, ngize nomkhodi wami nempuphu khona la right here. Can cook here and just lay here by the rocks. You see these beautiful rocks? Ngiyabusa. In that sense, khona omunye umuntu ofisayo ukuthi enkosi yami, I wish I can have a place where I can go hang out, where I can just go and be with nature and just chill, but they don't have that access. I have that access. So in that sense, mina ngiyabusa, I'm in charge. I can do it anytime I want to do it. If I want to sleep here, I can sleep here. If I want to, whatever I want to do, I can do it. Yabon? So, ukubusa, it's not what we have made it to be. To bless. Yeah, in your minds, I know now when somebody speaks of blessing, you lighten up, you brighten up eyes. If you look at the etymology, if you look at the word itself, it's okay. Bless. Bless. Be less. Be less. Bless. It doesn't. To understand. Understand. In other words, to stand under something. Yabon, like those kind of things, you look at them and you realize it's normal. I can't understand something. I have to overstand it. Mele ngime phezu kwayo, not ngaphansi kwayo into. Because ngaphansi kwayo, obviously, conceptually in our languages, it doesn't make sense. Kufana ukuthi mngumnumzane niyahamba ne endleleni, ingane yakuhola ihamba phambili. I-concept angithi ku wrong, ngikhuluma ngama concept ukuthi usually abantwana at the back, we will usually have like maybe abomalume naba lapha phambili, ingane ziphakathi nabomama, ngasemuva mhlambe another group of amaqhawe or the soldiers or whoever. That's how we can't have the children ahead and the women ahead. What if trouble looms there? Or we can't have them at the back. What if the enemy attacks from the back? You understand? So we're talking about what our languages are conceptual languages. That's why we cannot say ukuthi ukubusiswa is different from ukubusa. No. All these words, busiswa, busisa, busisiwe, busisani, busani, all these are related. They all emanate from the word busisa. Busisa. Busa. That is the root word of all these busi. Busani, busisiwe, busiswa, mbusiswa, mbuso, all those things, they all come from busa. So ngamanye amagama bafowethu, umuntu makathi inkosi kubusise, loyo muntu uthi kuwe uNkulunkulu akwenza uphathe. Ngoba mosubusisiwe vele uzophatha. Uzophatha vele. But ukhumbula ukuthi ekuphatheni kwakho awuziphathelanga wena, awuphathanga because you are no. uNkulunkulu okunikeza iability. God gives you an ability ukuthi uphathe ne, and ekuphatheni kwakho kufanele uphathe kahle ngoba uzokhumbula uSolomon ephupheni lakhe uNkulunkulu makeza kuyathi yendoda khuluma nanoma oyifunayo ngizokwenzela, whether imbuso or izitha zakho or inkhuluma. Solomon wathi inkosi ngiyayibona yonke leyo mbuso kodwa ngicela ungiphe ubuhlakani because njengoba sengiyinkosi manje ngubani ongahola labantu laba abantu bakho abaningi isizwe esikhulu kangaka ngiphe Nkosi ubuhlakani ngikwazi kubahola labantu and uNkulunkulu ngempela wamnikeza because uSolomon wabusa kahle siyazi isiphelo sendaba yakhe ukuthi saphela kabuhlungu but ekubuseni kwakhe uSolomon wabusa kahle. That's why Israel didn't have wars. But in Israel, silver was as common as gold was just like a common commodity. It wasn't precious anymore like it is to us because it was not scarce, it was just common. Everywhere there was gold. Kuthiwa ama-servants kaSolomon, ama-usher, labantu abame egate-ini, umkhuleka lapha egate-ini uthi, "Hey, sifikile." Those people that come to open the gate for you, they were wearing like the ministers of those guests who came from outside to see Solomon. In other words, Solomon wayebusa because wayephathele uNkulunkulu. That was a representation of what umbuso kaNkulunkulu uthi makuphethe uNkulunkulu kuba kanje. So masibusa, uma ubusa ne ubusa on behalf of uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uye osuka ama-statutes wakhe, ama-ordinances wakhe, imithetho yakhe, into yakhe yonke uNkulunkulu yesuka injani? Yesuka isenziwa lapho even though yena enomuntu osesihlalweni sakhe representing him like the king. You understand? So sikhuluma ngokubusiswa bafethu ukuthi ukubusiswa is not being blessed. It's not what we think it is. Ngiyazi ukuthi right now according to the English language we have accepted